This video is going to show you how to edge your driveways and walkways. It's not a difficult task. It's probably going to take 1 to 3 hours, a little physical effort, and it's best to do this when the ground is wet. You're going to need a blower and a hose, broom, gloves, safety glasses, the lawn edgers, and possibly shears. You're also going to need a trash can for the stuff that's coming off the edges, and a good pair of boots with thick soles. Basic process is use the edger, push it in, scrape it up if you can, and all that stuff will land on your driveway. Some areas where the grass is thicker, which you're about to see, you can't flick it up, so then you just rock it back and forth. So you can see you just push in, rock it back and forth, and then you have to scrape it, as you can see here in a second. So there, and from a side view, so push it in, rock it back and forth, and go back and scrape the driveway. After this, you want to collect all that, throw it in a trash can, and then blow it off to get all of the debris and yard waste back into your yard. Then follow up with a hose and just rinse it off, and that'll help get the any loose dirt off the driveway and back into the yard. The other thing you may have to do if you have a walkway that's overgrown is just cut the stuff back. So just grab the shears and cut it back. Not going to kill anything. I've been trying to kill this plant for years, and yeah, nothing kills it. That's about it. It's not a difficult process. You'll see the before and after photos here in a second. Took about 2.5 hours to do.